All right, so I bought this Mustang about 6 weeks ago or so as a project. It runs and there's not a whole lot wrong with it other than it being old and being a little beat up. But I haven't crunk it in a while, so I went to crank it the other day and it would not start. So of course it's just a dead battery. So let's jump this thing off using some jumper cables. First thing we're going to do is get the hood of the car with the dead battery opened up. Reach down in here, feel for the hood release, pull up our little prop rod, and locate our battery. Our battery is right here. This is our battery. So on the battery here, this dead battery, typically you'll see, red connectors here for your positive, black over here for your negative, and it'll be the same way over here on this good battery. Red's positive, black's negative. Let's get into this vehicle here and let's pull this one, two. Let's get this one opened up. And get this hood prop installed here. Okay, so in this vehicle, it looks like, hey, she's missing the damn cap for that. All right, so here we're gonna have a little different situation. I'm not sure where the hell the battery is in this one, unless it's like one of those ones that are all hidden or something. But anyway, right here under this cap, you got a little plus, that's positive. And for our negative, we'll just grab one of these bolts here. So the way to do this thing here is, first step, you're going to connect your positive, which is your red, connect it here to your dead battery. It's finna rain on me. Okay. Number two, connect the positive or the red to the good battery here. Then we're going to connect the black or the negative to your ground. I'm going to just choose that as my ground. Last but not least, connect your black negative. See those sparks? It'll spark a little bit. That's showing you've got, some electricity running through there. So that means we got a good connection. That's cool. So what you want to do is crank up this vehicle here with the good battery. That way you don't kill this battery and it puts more juice to this dead battery. Sometimes you have to wait 5 or 10 minutes for it to give enough juice to the dead battery. Sometimes it'll instantly do it, depending on how dead the battery is and such. I'm gonna go ahead and try it. Let's see. See, nothing. We're gonna have to wait. So let's give it a few minutes. Let this thing do its work. We'll try it one more time. If not, I'll take a smoke break. Let's see. Sometimes you won't have a good connection with your ground. Thing still ain't trying to move over, is it? Starting to rain pretty good out here. I want to get this son of a bitch crunk up. Let's try it again. shit. Let's get this thing in the goddamn garage. That's more better. And when you first crank it up, after jumping it off when it's been dead, you don't want to just shut it back off and try to crank it again, because the battery hasn't had time to charge. So either drive the car for a little bit or let it run for a little bit and let the alternator have a little time to charge that thing up. And then she'll be good. Peace.